Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile's Techland. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the puppet wrap in Photoshop. So here we have our two portraits, and you know that you can stretch the image or reshape or resize the image using the Photoshop, but we should be free to do anything. So to do that, we have to go to Edit and click Puppet Wrap. And you can see a spider's web. All you have to do is click once, then you can keep clicking and changing each part of the image, and I'm trying to make it like a wrinkled paper, and you can add as many dots as you want. Sometimes you have to remember not to stretch too much or else the face will look pretty weird, but other times you can actually do anything you want because sometimes we need to make our faces funky. We need to keep things creative, and I'm simply gonna change the background color, add some text and flatten the image and then add noise. So that's it. And it was a very simple and quick tutorial, but you can give more time to make more creative things. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it.